everybody! Welcome back to Coop to Grill. Today I'm going to make a homemade mac and cheese in the crock pot. Check it out. According to my recipe, the only way that I can get this to make correctly is for the chef to have 2 shots of whiskey. So if you're going to do that, I prefer the Crown Royal salted caramel at the holiday season. If you want to forego the whiskey, that's all right. Let's go over the regular ingredients that are needed to go into the recipe. 2 sticks of butter, 8 cups of milk. We need 1 cup of grated Parmesan, a whole 32-ounce box of noodles of your choice, the sharp cheddar Wisconsin cheese, and 1 block of Colby.
Pound of each.
1 pound of each. We're going to use 1 cup of flour, and we're going to use a teaspoon of salt. I think, besides the whiskey, that's everything that goes into the mix. First up, we are going to throw in butter and let that get all melty. While we're waiting for our butter to melt, we are going to actually boil our noodles to an al dente state. Alright, so as you can see, our butter is nice and melted. And now we are going to go ahead and whisk in our 1 cup of flour. We're going to get that nice and mixed together. And this will be our roux. For mine, I'm going to add my salt at this point. Beautiful. Look at that. 1 teaspoon of salt. And actually, I'm going to do 1.5 since I've doubled the recipe. But I think with our cheddar cheese, it's going to be plenty salty from the cheese. So I am not putting in the full 2 teaspoons. As remember, you can always add, but you cannot subtract once you've added salt. Next step here, we're going to go ahead and mix in our milk. And now we will have a beautiful base for sauce. So that was 4 cups. Remember I said we have doubled this, so we need 8 cups of milk. A crucial part of making any sauce like this is to make sure that the mixture is moving. You don't want to burn your butter. You don't want to, get it all clumpy. Nobody likes clumpy mac and cheese. You guys have seen me make a roux before if you watched the potatoes au gratin video. We're going to add in our other 4 cups. This is one of our very favorite contraptions. I know we always talk about gadgets, but this shredder is amazing. So simple. So different people will tell you different things about when your roux is ready. So for me, you can feel it. So as I whisk it, I can feel that it's thickened up. It feels, better, thicker than just milk, right? But one way that I really like to test it that my mom used was where you take a spoon and you dip it in, and look at that. Look at how beautiful this is. And it coats the spoon, you're good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start adding in my cheeses. I like to start with the Parmesan. So we've added our grated Parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to just start adding in all of our other cheeses. So I have completely mixed in all of our cheeses. This is the completed sauce. So we are ready to add in our pasta as soon as that's done cooking. I have just made it exactly how I would if I was going to bake it. So at this point, if you wanted to bake it, you would pour it all together in a pan, put it in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes, and you would have delicious mac and cheese. Now, ours is for an event tonight. That is about a 2-hour-long event and needs to stay warm that entire time. So I will be putting this mixture and that pasta inside the crock pot, and I will put it on low until we are ready to leave, and then we'll just set it to warm while we're there. So we have our cheese in the crock pot. It's on low, so it's nice and warm, and I'm going to add our noodles, and then we're going to go ahead and mix that in. All right, so we're going to leave it on low until we're ready to go to the party. So I'm doing a taste test because the people that are going to taste test it aren't going to be on camera. So I get to try it.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, you want to try some too?
I try.
All right.
You will know.
Haha. And?
No, we shouldn't take this to the party.
Well, I made 2 tons of it. We're not keeping it. Okay, everybody, thank you for coming with me while we made mac and cheese in the Crockpot today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. It helps grow our channel.
Awesome.
Did I say the butter?
Can I follow the whiskey?
Yeah.
You did not say the butter.
Did I not? Oh, a stick of butter. No, I need 2 sticks of butter now. We need 2 sticks of butter.
Hang on. Let's try that one more time. We'll save that for the outtake.
You're an outtake. It's a good thing you're cute is what's good. Okay. What'd you do? Are you on? Did it happen? Wow. If you want to see more of this with us, then I'll put them right over here.
Hey, you got it.
I got it right!